Okay, hello YouTube, and here we go again. and I hope this time much less drama, so I shouldn't be needing to touch the Nilfisk GM80 with the Wessel Werk EBK340 powerhead. So I have that cable just hooked up for this test. So I am relying that bag to catch everything. Let's hope that that goes well, because that is the only bag what I currently have. It is pretty much empty. And this is like back to the good old days. So, what we are doing is just to do this mesh test and see how it does. And then we have to look the vacuum, how it did. So I hope you can see from here. And I have that second camera for better closer look. So let's go. Okay, and the test is done. And there was one big rock, what I show you later, what jammed the Brushroll and it went whole power here to the protection mode. So that bag actually hold everything. So let's see that. Pre-motor filter is still, you can see better like this, very clear. And this is heavy. Bag is there. So I am going to take it off. Oh yes. Oh yes, this is... Actually, there is still room for more. But I have to use the same for another oncoming or incoming vacuum mist test. So I am not going to put that back there. So Nilfisk did very well. And I just wired it like this. So there is the power head cable attached to the hose. Because I don't want to put any connections there. I might if I find exactly the same color as the Nilfisk and it is very neat. So there is that. Let's look at the power head. So from the power head end there is just this plug. And I remove all these after this video. I have to make another plug suitable for this. So Brushroll is very clean. And there is the rock. Can you see that? It's jammed right there between this and this. So it went into that protection mode and it gutted out. And it actually needed to be cooled. So I run it in free air to prevent overheating. It is thermal that cut out. So there is that. Only new bag to it and no washing filter spins and whole vacuum being dirty. That is the benefit of packed vacuum. But the next vacuum is going to be bagless again. So thanks for watching and goodbye.